The customer brought the vehicle in, reporting that the ABS light was illuminated. I began by connecting a scan tool, which revealed the code CZ0035, indicating an issue with the left front wheel speed sensor circuit. To investigate further, I cleared the code and performed a road test while monitoring the ABS wheel speed sensors. During the test, I observed an intermittent signal from the left front ABS wheel speed sensor, confirming a potential issue with that sensor. Next, I lifted the vehicle to inspect the left front ABS wheel speed sensor connector, terminals, and wiring harness. On visual inspection, there were no apparent faults such as corrosion, damage, or loose connections. With the key on, I used a multimeter to check for the specified 12-volt supply at the sensor connector. However, no voltage was present. To rule out other possibilities, I disconnected the left front ABS wheel speed sensor and measured the voltage at the harness connector again with the key on. The 12-volt supply was still missing. This indicated the problem could be further up the circuit. I then back-probed the connector at the Electronic Brake Control Module, EBCM, to check for the 12-volt supply. At the EBCM, the voltage was present, confirming the issue was likely in the wiring between the EBCM and the sensor. To pinpoint the fault, I disconnected the EBCM connector and measured the resistance between the EBCM and the left front ABS wheel speed sensor connector. There was no continuity. While manipulating and wiggling the wiring harness, continuity briefly returned, confirming an open circuit in the wiring harness. I carefully opened the harness insulation and found corroded and broken wires. After identifying the issue, I replaced the faulty ABS wheel speed sensor wiring harness. Once the repair was complete, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test. The ABS system functioned properly, the warning light remained off, and no new fault codes were detected. This confirmed the repair was successful.